Good morning. Welcome to YOGATX. My name is Savannah, and today we'll take you through a quick 10-minute sequence and practice so that you can get ready for your day. We'll begin on our hands and knees. So you can orient your knees at about a hip's width distance apart. If the knees are particularly tender to the floor, you can always grab the mat and roll it up so that you have a little extra cushion. Sometimes a blanket's nice underneath them. Once the shoulders and the wrists are aligned, we'll start with some cat-cows, dropping the belly, pulling the chest forward, adding an inhale to that. On the exhale, grounding the tailbone down through the back of the legs, press through the floor with your hands, tucking the chin towards the chest, rocking back a bit. And inhaling, belly drops, the elbows bend as the chest pulls forward. Exhale, rounding through the entire spine, pushing the floor away with the shins and the palms. Maybe you're dropping the hips back towards the heels. And then again, inhaling, bending the elbows, drop the belly, draw the chest forward. This time as you exhale, press and ground down, rounding through the spine. Pull the hips all the way back towards the heels or as far as they comfortably go. Inhale, pull the chest forward, drop the belly. Turn your elbows, the eyes of your elbows out as you do that. Exhale, spiral the eyes of the elbows in, push out through the back of the ribs, draw the hips all the way back towards the heels. And breathing in, this next time we'll come all the way down to our abdomen, stretching our legs back behind us. Feel that spiraling out of your arms again, almost like you're pressing the hands into the floor and turning the palms gently out towards the top corners of the mat. Take a breath in, extending back through the right leg, pulling the chest forward. Exhale, lower the top of the right foot, lower your forehead to a hover. Inhale, ground through the hands, pull forward through the chest, left foot reaches and stretches back. Exhale, the forehead comes to a hover and the left foot lowers. One more time on each side. Inhaling as you stretch through the front of the body. Exhale, foot lowers, forehead comes to the hover again. Next side. And as you breathe out, lower the foot, press down through the hands, this time tucking your toes to come up through a downward facing dog pose. Press the front of the mat away, let your feet and your arms come out as wide as you would like. Right away, get a little playful here, maybe turning your head from side to side, shifting the hips over towards the right and then to the left. And then we'll find a neutral down dog where the legs are both doing the same thing. The gaze is directing towards the thighs or towards the navel. You stay strong through the arms. 4 breaths in, 4 breaths out. One to 2 more breaths. Exhaling, the right foot will step forward. Lower your left knee down. Bring both of your hands behind your head as you walk your hands up on top of the right thigh. We'll untuck the left toes, hook the hands behind the head, wrap the elbows in, and lean your head back into your hands. Keep the left shin grounding down, the right foot pressing down. 2 inhales and 2 exhales. Instead of pulling the head forward, you're using the strength of the back of the neck to set the head right on top of the spine again. And then lowering the left hand down underneath the left shoulder, you'll keep the right hand behind your head. Tuck your left toes and breathe in as you lift the left knee up. Turn the rib cage to the right, lean your head back into the right hand. Ground down through the outer edge of your right foot, pulling the right hip away from the right armpit. With your next breath out, the right hand will lower down. The left heel will seal down. We'll keep the hands on the floor, maybe pop them up to your fingertips, walking them off of the mat, pulling the hips back with the right knee bent, left leg is straight, the chest is dropping down, and you're really shifting the weight towards the space behind you. Give your head a few nods, yes and no. And then we'll travel through a wide-legged forward fold. Walk your hands halfway back, turn your toes towards the left, bend both knees, dropping the weight of your head. Keep some gentle movement from side to side if that feels better in the body, especially in the morning. The wiggles and the shakes are nice to get out. And then we'll take our hands towards the back of the mat around the left foot. Lower your right knee down and untuck the right toes. As you breathe in, bring your hands up and behind your head, clasping the hands almost like a basket, wrapping the elbows in and leaning the head back. Feeling that pull from the front of the right hip, the left glute is engaged, the right heel is grounding into the mat. Continue to lean back and lift up through the heart for 2 more breaths. And on your next breath out, the right hand will come down underneath the right shoulder. Left hand stays behind your head so that when you tuck the right toes and lift the right knee up, you have something to press back into and lean into. Left hip draws back from the left armpit. Gently releasing the right ear towards the right shoulder. Right arm is strong here for 3 more inhales, 3 more exhales. And on that third exhale, lowering the left hand down. Seal your right heel down so the right toes point out gently. Walk your hands off of the mat more towards the center line of your hips and your chest. Pull your hips back. Sit into the space behind you. Let your fingertips pop up like tents, dropping the weight of the head. The chest is lowering down. Stay strong through the legs. Try to resist the total collapse and invitation of gravity pulling you down. Breathing in through the nose and sighing out. Great, walking the hands back, coming towards that forward fold. Turn your left toes to what would be the right side of the mat now. Bend the knees, release the weight of the head for just 1 inhale, just 1 exhale. Then we'll turn the toes slightly out to the side, set the weight of the pelvis down, walk your hands up on top of your thighs, give yourself a little traction for the low back, and wiggle the hips from side to side. Breathing in, the legs straighten and the arms reach up. As you exhale, right arm comes over the right ear, left hand comes down, taking your gaze underneath the right armpit. Inhale, both arms come back up. Exhale, right hand comes down, left arm goes over the left cheek. 1 more time, side to side. And dropping the ear towards the nearest shoulder. Exhaling as you side bend. And then bringing the hands down, walking your feet together. Grounding the heels underneath the hips, pulling 1 hand over your heart and 1 hand over the abdomen. Feeling the space that the body is taking up. Aware of the space and the sounds around you. And from here, we move through the rest of our day. Namaste.